Did you know that drying your car with a wrong towel can actually scratch your paint faster than dirt? Yep, even after a perfect wash, using the wrong microfiber can leave streaks, swirls, or water spots. That's why today we're diving into the 5 best microfiber towels for car drying. From plush, high GSM monsters for SUVs to quick, nimble towels for everyday use. All the links are in the description so you can grab your favorite right away. By the end of this video, you'll know which towel truly deserves the crown for keeping your car spotless, scratch-free, and looking showroom ready. Number 5, Sminder 2-pack 1200 GSM car drying towels. Starting off, the Sminder 2-pack 1200 GSM towels offer excellent absorbency with a plush double twist microfiber that can soak up water over 9 times its weight. At 36x24 each, these edgeless towels glide smoothly over paint without scratching, making drying large vehicles surprisingly effortless. They strike a perfect balance between dense, high GSM performance and manageability. Unlike some ultra-heavy towels over 1500 GSM that can feel like a workout, compared to the NanoPro 1200 GSM, Sminder wins on value with 2 large towels in the pack, though they may take a bit longer to dry due to thickness. Another advantage is their versatility. They perform well on both cars and SUVs, and they're gentle enough to use on freshly waxed or ceramic-coated surfaces without leaving streaks. Additionally, Sminder towels are surprisingly durable. Even after repeated washes, they retain their softness and absorbency, which is ideal for enthusiasts who wash their vehicles weekly. Their edgeless design also minimizes the risk of micro scratches, which is particularly useful for darker paint colors where swirls are more noticeable. While they may not match the sheer size of KKV towels or the extreme water-holding power of Exoforma, they strike a sweet spot for everyday washing, offering convenience, safety, and consistent performance. For those who want reliable drying without investing in ultra-premium towels, Sminder is a smart, budget-friendly choice that still feels professional. Number 4, KKV full-sized SUV drying towel. If you're tackling a full-size SUV or truck, the KKV 48X24 towel is a beast. Its 1400 GSM ultra-dense microfiber and twisted yarn weave can reportedly absorb up to a gallon of water in a single pass, while the dual-sided design lets you both lift water and buff for a streak-free finish. Compared to the Blackline 1300 GSM or smaller waffle weave towels like Maguire's, the KKV drastically cuts drying time for large. The trade-off? It's heavy when soaked and slower to air dry, so handling may require 2 hands on bigger vehicles. That said, this towel shines for professional detailers or weekend warriors with large vehicles. The sheer size and density mean fewer passes, less wringing, and a smoother, faster drying experience. Its plush texture also feels luxurious under your hand, giving a premium tactile feel that many high GSM towels promise, but few fully deliver. Durability is another strong point. The KKV can withstand hundreds of washes without fraying, losing softness, or reducing absorbency. While smaller sedans may feel overwhelmed by its bulk, for SUVs, trucks, or vans, it's a time-saving and satisfying tool. For those willing to handle the extra weight, KKV offers efficiency and a high-end drying experience that few towels can match. Number 3, TTRCB 2-pack car drying towel kit. The TTRCB kit is more than just towels. It's a full car wash solution. The 36x24 main towel and 16x616 smaller cloth feature 1300 GSM double twisted loop microfiber for ultra absorbency, and the kit also includes a chenille wash mitt and detailing brush for wheels and vents. Compared to Sminder's 2 towel pack, TTRCB stands out for versatility. It's not just about drying, but full coverage for washing and detailing. Its dense plush towels handle large surfaces efficiently, though they can be slightly heavier to manage. In addition, TTRCB towels are designed to resist linting and streaks, making them ideal for darker or glossy paint where imperfections are easily noticed. The included mitt and brush allow you to safely clean intricate areas like wheel wells, grills, and vents, reducing the need for multiple brands or tools. While not as massive as KKV or as luxurious as Exoforma, the kit balances performance, convenience, and value, giving new and experienced detailers a reliable drying and detailing combo. It's particularly appealing for DIY enthusiasts who enjoy thorough washes without juggling multiple products, offering an all-in-one solution that's efficient, safe for paint, and gentle on coatings. Number 2, Blackline 24x36 Twisted Loop Drawing Towel. The Blackline 1300 GSM towel is all about powerful, efficient drying. Its twisted loop microfiber absorbs massive amounts of water in one pass, glides over paint safely, and handles large panels with ease. Perfect for those who want fewer passes and minimal effort. Compared to Sminder or TTRCB, it's denser and can feel heavier when soaked, but the water holding capacity is outstanding. Blackline towels are also remarkably lint-free, which makes them ideal for glossy or dark-colored vehicles where even tiny fibers are noticeable. Beyond absorbency, the Blackline towel holds its shape exceptionally well, resists fraying, and maintains softness even after frequent washes. It's versatile enough for sedans, SUVs, or small trucks, providing streak-free results without needing multiple towels. Its balance of size, glide, and absorbency makes it particularly user-friendly. You can move from hood to roof to trunk with minimal effort, avoiding repeated wringing. While heavier, when saturated, this towel is built to deliver reliable, professional results for hobbyists and enthusiasts alike, offering a blend of efficiency, durability, and smooth performance that makes it a favorite among detailers who want quality without going ultra-premium. Number 1. Exoforma Mega Car Drying Towel. Topping our list, the Exoforma Mega combines size, absorbency, and glide like no other. At 24x36 and 1200 GSM, this towel can soak up roughly 9 pounds of water in a single pass, drying even large cars quickly and with minimal effort. Its dual-sided twisted loop pile, edgeless design, and streak-free performance make it a dream for serious car enthusiasts or detailers. Compared to Blackline, Exoforma trades a bit of density for a more balanced feel and superior water capacity, meaning fewer passes and less fatigue. It's bulkier when wet, but the efficiency more than makes up for it. What sets Exoforma apart is its exceptional build quality. These towels withstand hundreds of washes while maintaining softness, glide, and absorbency. The smooth, edgeless design reduces micro-marring, making it safe on delicate coatings, waxes, and ceramic treatments. Whether you're tackling a weekend detailing session, a quick post-rain wash, or a full SUV, this towel handles it all with minimal effort. Its combination of performance, durability, and ease of use makes it ideal for both casual detailers and car enthusiasts seeking professional results at home. Simply put, Exoforma delivers speed, comfort, and flawless drying in one premium microfiber package. Conclusion. So after comparing absorbency, size, glide, and versatility, the Exoforma Mega Car Drying Towel takes the crown as the best microfiber towel for car drying overall. It combines professional-level performance, massive water lift, and smooth, streak-free results that make drying faster, easier, and safer for your paint. The KKV is a close runner-up for SUV owners, while Sminder, TTRCB, and Blackline each have their unique strengths for value kits or density. Which towel do you use for drying your car, and do you agree with our winner? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell for more car detailing tips. All the links are in the description to grab your favorite towel today.